Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a cute chibi anime bookmark. Like here I have made of Gojo Satoru from Jujutsu Kaisen. You can choose any favorite character of your own. So here I'm taking a small sheet. You can take any drawing cutout you have, and now I'm sketching Kane Kaneki from Tokyo Ghoul.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So once the outline is done, I'm using here the Emily's fine liner for outlining.
Fade away.
So now I am using touch alcohol markers. You can use pencil colors, crayons or watercolors also.
All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never.
So now you can choose any famous quotes of theirs from Google. Like I have chosen for Mikasa Akame, "This world is merciless," and it is also very beautiful.
It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.